to make healthy ice cream for kids. We need frozen mixed vegetables. Yes, we really need vegetables. We need frozen raspberries, frozen strawberries, frozen cherries, oat milk, and some kind of syrup. We need 180 grams of vegetables. Okay, oh, we've got one carroty. Oh, a little bit too much. I'm going to take some out. Yeah, that's right. Now we put it all in the blender. Ooh, nice vegetables, nice and frozen the ice cream. I'm excited to eat it. Next is the raspberries. We need 50 grams of raspberries. Oh, it's a bit 52. Let's put it. Oh, yeah, I think that's fine. We also put them in the blender with the vegetables. It's yummy raspberries with vegetables. Ooh. Then we need the strawberries, and also you put 50 grams of strawberries. Oh. I think 52 is enough with only 2 strawberries. That's funny. I love strawberries. I'm going to put another one. Let's put it in. Oh. Okay, that better be yummy. Because I put 3 strawberries. I bet it was 53 grams or 55. The last thing is cherries. We also put 50 grams. You have to check. See? Oh, that is way too much. I think this is the big one. There's 59. Oh, good. Okay, let's put them in there. Ba 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 ba. With all juice. Now we add 200 ml of oat milk. Do you put 200? Yeah. If you want, you can add more milk if you want it more runny. Now we add a bit of syrup. Ooh, I think syrup is so yummy, so I'm gonna have a little bit of syrup. But don't tell my mum and dad. Ooh. There's some left. There's loads left. There's some on my spoon. If there's more left, some left on my spoon, I'm gonna eat it. Now I need my mum to help me, but I'll close the lid. Now we put it on, but I am. Look everyone! Now it's done, we can put it in. And I have 2 bowls because it's for me and my sister. So now let's put it in. I can't believe they have vegetables in it, but I can't taste them. It's so yummy. Bye bye, see you in my next video.
Thanks for watching.
Bye bye. If you like this video, please hit the like button and click subscribe.